So could you tell us a little bit of how you have envisioned bringing new technologies, emerging technologies into Trane?
One of the main ways we've done that is with Cognizant. We've set up a collaborative innovation lab, an emerging tech lab. We have one in Dublin in the Trane Technologies facility, and Cognizant also have one in Chicago and MXD. So we sort of replicate what we do there, and we can co-innovate and work together on the latest technologies, the latest trends, and really bring that to people so they can touch, feel, and see these new technologies as we do small scale proof of concepts to enable these technologies for a wider adoption within Trane Technologies.
Thank you, Barry. So Anurag, could you tell us a little more about how you have brought the best of what AWS has amongst its portfolio of services and what Cognizant has done so that we can address these kinds of exciting things with Trane Technologies?
So Trane Technologies is a leading manufacturer, and Cognizant is such a strategic partner. We signed a strategic collaboration agreement together, and now we are bringing NVIDIA also in that fold to bring our solutions together. I believe that with Cognizant and Cognizant's capabilities, MXD Center, we can bring a lot for our manufacturers that will change our factory operations in coming years.
Perfect. So, Barry, Anurag has brought about the NVIDIA Omniverse platform a couple of times. Would you would you be able to share how you envisage using that within Trane Technologies?
Absolutely. Again, so emerging technologies, NVIDIA Omniverse, that's one of those emerging technologies that we've been tracking for a period of time. So the first thing we try to do is understand more about that technology and see where it could be applicable within our business. So working with Cognizant again and Amazon, we have in our lab in Dublin, we've imported some of our existing assets into the Omniverse uh, and to bring that experience to our plant operators so that they can understand more about what the Omniverse can do and how it can enable better simulations and de-risk some of the scenarios where we don't have to deploy or do things directly in production. So yeah, working with Cognizant in that emerging tech lab, we've started to explore the Omniverse and excited to see where that's going to go.